Okay, today I'm going to talk a little bit about tire repair. We took out this screw from the tire, which, typical what happens with the tire. You pick up a screw somewhere, and there's the hole right there. This particular tool is designed to make the hole nice and round and a little bit bigger, because you gotta stick this tool with one of these strips. See? On this tool and push it through there. Now when you push it through, it's got to be at least halfway or 3/4 of the way to get a proper seal. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is really sticky stuff. I've already used it a few times. It works well after you plug it up. I mean, you don't get a problem anymore. It's kind of like a tarry strip. It really does plug up that hole really well. Getting it off the plastic is probably the hardest part. Alright, we got that. Tuck it approximately in the middle. So this is like a needle and thread, and you're just threading. It's a very big needle and a very sticky thread on it. Alright, so there it is. There you go. And hopefully we can get this in. Nope, it didn't go in. Kind of bent it too. See how sticky that is, but that did not go in enough. So I'm just gonna see if I can just drill it. If that tool doesn't work, you can go ahead and get a drill. Because this does have to get in there. All right. Problem is as I'm collapsing, it's not going in. There it is. Okay. Now see how it's mostly gone? It's mostly inside. That's what's going to plug up the hole, is the part inside. This is just extra. You can cut that off with an X-Acto knife. And there it is. So you should test it by filling her up. And we're just going to see if there's any bubbles that form. A little bit of soap and water, and that probably should do. Yeah, it's good and in there. All right, so that's it, and then you cut it, put it back on, and you repair the tire. Thanks for watching.